If you or someone you love is over the age of 60, you've probably experienced the frustrating and sometimes painful surprise of leg cramps. You know the kind. You're relaxing, watching TV, or worse, deep asleep. And suddenly, your calf or foot tightens up with intense pain. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 4 superfoods that can naturally help prevent leg cramps in seniors. These aren't just your typical health foods. Each one is scientifically backed, rich in essential nutrients, and when used properly, can make a big difference in your quality of life. We'll explore how they work, why they're so effective, and how you can easily include them in your daily routine. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Number 1. Bananas, nature's electrolyte boost. Let's start with one of the most popular fruits known for its potassium content, bananas. Potassium plays a vital role in muscle contraction and nerve function. When potassium levels drop, whether from dehydration, poor diet, or medications like diuretics, muscle cramps become more frequent, especially at night. But bananas offer more than just potassium. They're also a good source of magnesium, vitamin B, 6 carbohydrates for sustained energy. All these contribute to better muscle recovery and function. Did you know? A medium banana contains around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which is about 10% of the daily recommended intake for older adults. How to use it? Eat 1 banana in the morning, ideally with breakfast. Add sliced bananas to oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Blend into a smoothie with almond milk and a dash of cinnamon for an anti-inflammatory kick. Pro tip: if you're diabetic, speak to your doctor about portion control due to the natural sugars in bananas. Pairing it with protein or fiber helps regulate blood sugar. Number 2. Spinach, the muscle mineral powerhouse. Next on the list is a leafy green that's often overlooked, spinach. It's not just for Popeye. Spinach is packed with magnesium, one of the most crucial minerals for preventing muscle cramps. Magnesium works hand in hand with calcium and potassium to help muscles contract and relax properly. Low magnesium levels are directly associated with increased cramping, especially in seniors whose absorption of this mineral declines with age. Spinach also contains iron, helpful for oxygen transport to muscles. Vitamin K, good for bone health. Calcium, supports muscle and nerve function. How to use it? Sauté spinach in olive oil with garlic for a quick side dish. Add raw spinach to salads or sandwiches. Blend into a green smoothie with banana and almond milk. Mix it into scrambled eggs or omelets. Cooking tip: light cooking actually increases the availability of some nutrients in spinach, especially calcium and iron. So mix it up, raw sometimes, cooked other times. Number 3. Avocados, healthy fats, strong muscles. If there's one food that's trendy for a good reason, it's the avocado. This creamy fruit is not just delicious, it's loaded with potassium and magnesium, making it a powerful cramp-fighting ally for seniors. One medium avocado has more potassium than a banana, over 700 milligrams. It also provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports muscle repair, fiber, aids digestion, and improves nutrient absorption. Why it matters? Avocados are particularly helpful if you're taking medications that deplete potassium levels, such as diuretics or certain blood pressure pills. How to use it? Mash on whole grain toast with lemon and olive oil. Add sliced avocado to salads or wraps. Make a simple guacamole with lime, garlic, and tomato. Add to smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-packed texture. Storage tip: keep unripe avocados at room temperature. Once ripe, store them in the fridge to slow down ripening. You can even freeze avocado pulp for smoothies. Number 4. Coconut water, natural hydration hero. Last but not least, let's talk about hydration, a critical factor in preventing leg cramps. And when it comes to natural hydration, coconut water is the gold standard. Coconut water is rich in potassium, magnesium, sodium, calcium. These are the key electrolytes your muscles need to function without spasming. Why it works? Dehydration and electrolyte imbalance are two of the most common triggers of cramps, especially after walking, gardening, or even just being outdoors in warm weather. Coconut water restores these levels naturally, without the added sugars and artificial dyes found in many commercial sports drinks. How to use it? Drink a glass of coconut water mid-morning or after light exercise. Add it to smoothies instead of milk or juice. Mix it with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon for a homemade electrolyte drink. Watch out! Go for pure, unsweetened coconut water. Some brands add unnecessary sugar, which isn't ideal for seniors managing blood sugar or weight. So there you have it, your top 4 cramp-fighting foods: bananas, spinach, avocados, and coconut water.